Reward of Ziyarat of Imam Hussain alaihi salam. Imam Jafar Sadiq alaihi salam narrates, I heard my father, Imam Muhammad Baqir alaihi salam, ask one of his servants who had just asked him regarding the Ziyarat of Hussain alaihi salam. To whose Ziyarat are you going, and whom do you seek to please by going to this Ziyarat? The servant replied, Allah. My father, Imam Muhammad Baqir alaihi salam said, those who establish one salat behind the grave of Hussain alaihi salam, seeking the nearness of Allah, will meet him on the day of judgment, shining so brightly that the light emanating from them will cover everything that sees them. Allah will honor those who perform the Ziyarat of Hussain alaihi salam and will prevent the hellfire from touching them. They will not be prevented from coming to the pool of Kauthar, and none shall precede them. Amir al-Mu'mineen Ali alaihi salam will be standing by Kauthar, and he will shake their hands and quench their thirst with the water. Then they will go to their abodes in Jannah, accompanied by an angel appointed by Amir al-Mu'mineen alaihi salam. This angel will order Sirat, bridge over hellfire, to humble itself before them, and will order hell not to touch them with its blazing fires. They will pass over Sirat accompanied by the angel sent by Amir al-Mu'mineen alaihi salam.